Today we are going to be replacing some wiper inserts. Wow, that sounded weird. Some wiper inserts on my 2008 Honda Accord. But for most Honda Acuras, it's the same process. You're going to start off by removing the wiper blade. That varies from car to car, but this is how you do it on an Accord. And safely put the wiper arm on the windshield, because if you just let it snap, you could possibly crack the windshield. Here's a quick overview of what the wiper blade itself looks like. There's a lock-in tab that locks it onto the wiper arm. And as you can see towards the bottom of the wiper arm, on the insert itself, there is that little stop. Let's see if we can focus this video. And on the side that has this little stop, you're going to pinch the insert itself and then pull it away from the blade. So you hold the plastic part, you pinch the rubber part, and it's going to come apart. Just like that. As soon as you get it past its locking points, the whole thing's going to slide right out. While holding just the rubber piece in your hand, you're going to notice two pieces of metal that keep it together. The function of that is just to keep it inside of that plastic wiper blade itself. So all you have to do to replace the rubber insert, is remove the old one from the metal blades and insert it onto the new one. Here's that little groove that I was telling you about for the metal, not sticks, but those little metal plates. And you can put these guys in backwards. Ideally, not ideally, but you want these to sit flush like that. Otherwise, they won't fit back into the wiper blade itself. So as long as your metal rods are sitting flush and they don't stick out at all, you're going to be okay. Get both of those metal plates back into place, and you put the rubber insert back into the blade, connect the blade to the car, and you're all set. You just got to repeat the steps for the other side. Fairly straightforward. It's not too bad to do. Save you some money on buying whole new wiper blades. If you like this video, feel free to leave a like or a comment down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And right now I'm still watching my own video, and I'm noticing how dirty my hands are. Yeah, that's the life of being a mechanic, huh? Oh well. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.